Rajasthan is Jaipur and it is also known as Pink City. Famous dishes in Rajasthan are बाजरे की रोटी, लहसुन की चटनी, कचौरी, मालपुआ and dal bati churma is very famous in Rajasthan. Ghumar dance in Rajasthan very famous.
Rajasthan. It is a state situated in North India. It is also known as the land of Maharaja. There are 33 districts in Rajasthan. There are 50 forts in Rajasthan. The capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. The Bhangar Fort is the oldest fort of Rajasthan. The favorite dish of Rajasthan is dal bati churma. The famous dress of Rajasthan is lehenga choli with some jewelries. The Chief Minister of Rajasthan is Ashok Gehlot. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
I am a student of grade 7th. Today I am here to tell about my favorite state, Rajasthan. Rajasthan, the land of king, is the largest state of India located in northwest in India. It was formed on 30th March 1949 when Rajputanas were merged into India. The state covers an area of 3,42,239 square kilometers. Rajasthan is famous for its greatest desert, the Great Thar Desert, which is largest desert in India and 7th largest desert in world. Rajasthan is the largest state of India and 7th largest state in population. Rajasthan is the most colorful state in India. It is famous for its dance, culture, music, clothes, tradition, diverse, vibrant, etc. Rajasthan is well famous for its magnificent places, majestic fort, historical buildings made by great Maharajas of Rajasthan. Some great historical buildings of Rajasthan are Chittorgarh Fort, Nahargarh Fort, Jaisalmer Fort, Jaigarh Fort, etc. The capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur, which is also known as Pink City. The Rajasthan have 33 districts. Some famous cities of Royal Rajasthan are Jaipur, Udaipur, Pushkar, Mount Abu, Jodhpur, etc. The major food of Rajasthan with the combination of dal bati and churma. Thank you for listening me. Thank you.
My favorite state is Goa. Goa is the smallest state in India. Population here is about 15 lakh. This state was established on 30 May 1987. Goa is famous tourist destination of India. Many beaches are Miramar Beach and Manvi Beach, etc. Goa is the smallest state in India. Terms of
As my favorite state is Rajasthan and it was founded in 30th March of 1949 and it was located in northern part of India. It has many places to visit like Amer Fort, etc. Jaipur is the capital city of Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the biggest state in India. Dal bati churma is the classical dish in Rajasthan and the women wear ghagra choli and men wear kurta, dhoti, etc. are the traditional dress in Rajasthan. It was also known for its historical hills and many more. Like Bhangar Fort was also located in Rajasthan and it was a very beautiful state.
Today I am here to give
Thank
speech
you.
on my favorite state. My favorite state is Haryana. Origin of name Haryana is known as Haryana in ancient time. Haryana was carved out of India state of Punjab on 1st November 1966 on the recommendation of the Sardar Hukum Singh Parliamentary Committee. It is the 21st area in India. The famous drink of Haryana is chas. The famous language is Haryanvi. The famous folk is Loor. There are 8 famous monuments in Haryana. They are Jal Mahal, Buddha Stupa, etc. There are 22 districts in Haryana. most of our medal winners belong to the state of Haryana. It has given to our country the feelings of pride on the international platform. The famous dance is Naach. Thank you.
Hello to everyone. Hope you all are good and take off precious time at your home. I am Vandana from Raj International School and I am a student of grade 7th. Today I am here to talk about my favorite state. Yes, that's the northmost state, Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir is named after the two regions. It encompasses the Jammu region and the Kashmir Valley. The government of Pakistan and Pakistani sources refers to Jammu and Kashmir as a part of Indian occupied Kashmir or Indian held Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir, officially known as a princely state during British East India Company rule, as well as the British Raj in India from 1846 to 1952. Jammu and Kashmir has a Muslim majority and it consisted of three divisions that are Jammu region, Kashmir Valley and the Ladakh region. Srinagar is the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir and Jammu its winter capital. The Kashmir Valley, often called paradise on earth, is famous for its beautiful mountainous landscape. Jammu and Kashmir is used to be a British protectorate in 1860. Jammu and Kashmir bordered the states of Himachal Pradesh and Punjab to the southeast and south respectively. The other parts of this state are administered by Pakistan as Azad Jammu and Kashmir and Tilted Baltistan. Jammu and Kashmir has been a subject of dispute between India and Pakistan since 1947 and in China since 1962. That's all about my favorite state, Jammu and Kashmir. Thank you for listening me patiently. Stay home, stay safe.
My favorite state is Haryana. Haryana is one of the 28 states in India located in the northern part of the country. It was conquered out of the former state of East Punjab on 1st of November 1966. The official language of Haryana is Hindi. Chandigarh is the capital of Haryana. Mr. Manohar Lal Khattar is the Chief Minister of Haryana. Haryana has 6 administrative decisions. Haryana has 6 administration decisions, 72 sub-decisions, 22 districts, 154 cities and towns, 6,848 villages and 6,222 village panchayat. The main dance of Haryana is Phag dance. Haryana is famous for its agriculture land. The traditional dress of Haryana is dhoti, salwar and daman. Holi and Diwali are main festival of Haryana, include Rakhi and Teej. The name of Haryana means the land of the gold. In Sanskrit, Hari means God and Yana means home. Thank you.